Namaste everyone, welcome to Child Yogis, and today we have theme yoga. And what's our theme for today? It is farm animals. So we're going to be learning so many poses in the names of animals today. So first I want you to sit on your buttocks and get into your comfortable position. Make sure your spine is long and straight and your chin is tucked in. Don't look up, look forward and be very, very comfortable. Now, we're going to hold our right ankle and place it on your left thigh. This is going to be our half lotus pose. Yes, this is our half lotus pose, and we're just going to join our hands in front of our heart chakra, which is right in front of your chest, and just inhale once. And exhale. Now we're going to try and do the whole lotus pose. So we're going to take our left ankle and really try and place it on your right thigh. If you cannot do it, it's okay. If you can do it, that's great. So we're going to stay here. Join our palms in front of our heart chakra once again. And one more time, inhale. And slowly exhale. Now, if the whole lotus pose is a little difficult for you, I want you to do the half lotus pose. Yes, we can cheat a little bit, but if your half lotus pose is also difficult, then you can just cross your legs and sit comfortably. Yes, from there, we're just going to do inhale and exhale. Nothing fancy, very, very easy. You're going to inhale, raise both your arms up. And exhale, push your arms and down. One more time, inhale. Join your palms, reach out towards the ceiling. And push down to exhale. We will do it 2 more times. Let's go. Inhale. Keep reaching out, keep reaching out, keep reaching out. And exhale. One more time. Inhale. And push your arms down to exhale. Very nice. From there, you're just going to keep your palms on your thighs. And it should be facing towards the ceiling. Yes, we're just going to do 10 rounds of inhalation and exhalation. That's all. Let's go. Inhale. And exhale. Try to listen to your breath. Inhale. And exhale. 8 more times. Inhale. And exhale. 1 more. Inhale. And exhale. 4 more times. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale and exhale. Let's do it 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now for the last 2 rounds, we're going to do the same thing what we did in the starting. So we're going to inhale, raise your arms, join your palms over your head and flip, push it down, exhale. 1 more time, reach out, inhale, flip, push it down, exhale. Very good. Now we're going to learn our first posture, which is called the cow pose. So for cow pose, what we're going to do, we're going to overlap our right leg over your left leg. Now make sure both the bums are on the floor. You're not lifting any of your butts, and you have to place it really nicely. Try to be very comfortable. Try to keep your foot relaxed, both the feet relaxed. From there, you will inhale, raise both your arms up. Now interlace your fingers and flip your palms towards the ceiling and stretch. Stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Keep stretching out. Ceilings. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, release your fingers and reach out both the sides and down. Very nice. From there, once again, we're going to inhale, raise both our arms up. Now this time, we're going to go towards the side, towards your right side, and open your arms and go into a twist. Staying there. Now keep pushing, keep opening towards your right side. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly coming center. Now, I want you to raise your right arm over your head and place your palm on your back. Now, make sure you're not going forward. You're lifting up, your abdominal muscles are stretched, your stomach is stretched. You keep your palm and touch it on your back. From there, left arm will go from down, and you will try and hold your fingers. Try and reach out and hold your fingers. Keep pushing your head towards the back wall. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Keep reaching out, and 1. From there, slowly release and come back to center. From there, we're going to do the same exact thing to the other side. Good? Let's go. So we're going to swap. This time we're going to keep our right leg down, and we're going to overlap our left leg on top of it. Really place both the buttocks on the mat. From there, what are we going to do? We're going to inhale, raise both your arms up. Now interlace your fingers and flip your palms towards the ceiling, and keep stretching and reaching out towards the ceiling, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Keep reaching out. 2, 1. From there, even more reaching out, and release your fingers. Keep reaching out towards the left side and the right side, and relax. From there, one more time. Inhale, raise both your arms up. This time what we're going to do, remember, we're going to twist towards our left side this time, and we're going to push. Staying there for 10, 9. Try to keep opening your shoulders towards your left side. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly coming center. Now, we're going to raise our left arm above, and we're going to place our palm and place it on the back. The right arm goes from the below, and we're going to try and touch our fingers. Try, and keep pushing your head towards the back wall. Try not to go down. Yes, sit up, sit tall. Keep reaching out towards the ceiling, staying there for, count with me, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, release and relax. From there, we're going to go into our next posture, which is, guess. It is the butterfly pose. So what do you do for the butterfly? You're going to keep your feet right in front of each other. You should be able to see the sole of your foot. Yes, try to place it really nice. Try to be comfortable. Don't woggle. Yes, don't woggle. We'll woggle later. Staying here. Now make sure your spine is straight. Yes, your stomach is not contracted. It's reaching out always, all the times towards the ceiling. Staying there. Now place your thumb in the center of your sole of the foot and hold your feet like a book. So you should open your feet like a book. Now we'll stay there for 10 counts. Count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, we're going to do what? We're just going to flap it. So lift your knees off and down, off and down. So we'll do it a little faster. Keep flapping. We'll keep on flapping. Keep on flapping. Let's see how fast you can go. Staying there for 10. Keep flapping. 9. Keep flapping faster, faster. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly relax. You will place your palms. Show me your palms. Good. You will place them over your thighs and you will push them down. Push them down. Try to touch the floor. Staying there. Keep pushing it down. Keep pushing it down for 10 counts. Staying there for 10, 9. Keep pushing it. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly release. Inhale, raise both your arms up and slowly go all the way forward and down. Staying there in that posture for how many counts? We'll keep on stretching. Real good. Very nice. So we'll place our palms down and stretch, 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 stretch and slowly release. Now this was what? The butterfly pose. These are your wings. Yes. Now we'll try and woggle our wings. We'll fly towards our right side, left side, right and left, right and left. From there we'll come center. Now, what is the next posture? What is the next posture? Let's guess. We're going to do a posture which is found in the pond. Which animal is found in the pond? A frog. We're going to do a frog pose. So what I want you to do is place your palms right next to your hip. Right foot on the mat, left foot on the mat. Now you will push your palms into the floor and jump up. Come towards the center, lift your butt off and get comfortable. Join your palms in front of your heart chakra, which is right in front of your chest. Place your elbows on your thighs and just stay there. We'll keep on stretching. We'll keep on stretching for how many counts? 10 counts. Let's count. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, I want you to place your palms down. Can you jump? Yes, no, maybe. Let's try. We're just going to lift off little higher off the floor. We're just going to jump like a frog jumps. 1, 2, 3, go, jump. Good. We'll do it 2 more times on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3 and push, jump. Great. Let's do it one last time. Really, on the count of 3. 3, 2, 1. Jump. Very, very nice. From there, place your palms in front of your heart chakra. Let's stay there for once more. 10 more counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly place your palms on the mat and drop down, sit on the mat. From there, now keep your legs the way they are. We're going to do the next pose, which is called the Tortoise Pose. Yes, so what are we going to do? We're just going to get our left foot a little forward. We're going to get our right foot a little forward. We're going to walk forward. Try to place our tummy closer to the mat. Keep reaching out, keep reaching out, keep reaching out. Staying there for 10 counts. Staying there for 10, 9, count with me, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly come back, straight up, straight spine. From there, open it a little more. Now what we're going to do? We're going to go into the tortoise pose. This was just a little bit of warm-up. Now, listen to me very carefully. You're going to take your right arm, slide it under your right leg. Left arm, slide it under your left leg. From there, you're just going to reach out forward, 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 forward. Very, very nice. And you'll stay there for how many counts? You know it. 10 counts. Staying there for 10, 9, 8. If you can go all the way on the floor, that's perfect. Staying there for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly coming back to the center. Do you want to do it one more time? Let's go and try get closer to the floor. Let's go. Once again, sliding our right arm under the right leg, left arm under the left leg, and going all the way forward. Keep extending, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, really push your bums into the floor. Come up towards the center. Very, very good. From there, getting your legs coming back into butterfly pose. Now we'll flap our wings one more time. We'll flap it for 10 more counts. Go. 10, 9, faster. 8, 7, let's go how fast you can. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly release and stay there. Now, what is our next posture? Our next posture is meow. What is that called? Meow. It is called a cat pose. Yes, so for a cat pose, I want you to get your knees together. Hug your knees. Stay there for a while. Hug forward, and rock back. Keep rocking forward and back. Now, I want you to come to this position, sit on your butt, over your heels. From there, you're going to show me your palms. From there, you're going to keep your palms on the mat. You're going to rise up, come into the tabletop position. Yes, now make sure that your wrist is right below your shoulders and your knees are right below your hip. From there, don't sink in, keep lifting up. Yes, be more alive. Staying there. Now, what is the cat pose? I want you to really inhale and contract your stomach all the way up. This is called the cat pose. Yes, remember how a cat stretches? Have you seen it? We'll stay there for 10 counts. 10, 9, 8, 7, really stretch it out. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, we'll come towards the center. Coming back to the center once again. And this time we're going to make a nice and a long arch. Try to look up towards the ceiling. Very, very good. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there we'll come back to the center. Yes, good. We will do it in continuous motions for, let's say, 8 times. Let's go. Check your alignments. Wrist right below your shoulders. Spread your fingers wide apart so that you have more surface area to put your weight on. Yes, we're going to push our shoulders against the gravity, staying there and going into the cat pose. Inhale, crunch your stomach all the way. Make a nice hunch on your back, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Keep reaching out. 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, going into the reverse. Looking up, reaching out towards the ceiling, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Once again, cat pose. Go, go, go. Keep reaching out towards the ceiling. Try to look at your stomach. And going into reverse. Look up. Make a nice arch on your spine. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep reaching out. 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly come center. Now, the cat is going to walk a little forward. Yes. From there, we're going to do the Rooster Pose. This is our next pose, which is called the Rooster Pose. I want you to tuck your toes. Tuck your toes real nice. From there, you will reach out and straighten your left leg. And keep it rising off. Try to keep it parallel to the floor. Don't go up, not required. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7. Keep lifting up. You can do it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly getting it back. Yes, we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Let's go. We will extend our right leg. Keep on extending, keep on extending, keep on extending. Try to balance it out. Point your feet. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly coming back. Yes, so this was what? The Rooster Pose. We're going to do it 4 more times. Yes, right and left. Let's go. Coming back to the tabletop position, and we'll start from the right leg. Right leg extending and come back. Left leg extending. Keep reaching out and come back. Right leg extend and coming back. Left leg and coming back. Good. We'll do it 2 more times and we'll try and stay there for 10 counts. Let's go. We'll start with our right leg. Keep on extending it. Extend, extend, extend. And now staying there for, come on, you can do it. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly bending your knee, getting it back to your prep position. We'll do it to the left side. Extending your left leg. Reach out, keep reaching out. Now, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. Now bend your knee. Come back to the center. That was very, very nice. Now we're going to do another posture, which is called the donkey pose. So I want you to come back to the prep position. Come back. Check your alignments, check your knees, check your wrists. we're going to go into the rooster pose first. So we'll extend our left leg, go into the rooster pose. Very good. From there, it's very easy. You just have to bend your leg and look forward. This is called the donkey pose. We'll stay there for 10 counts. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, we'll extend our left leg and we will bend to get it back to prep position. We'll do the same thing to the other side. Yes? Let's go. Extending your right leg. Keep reaching out. Keep reaching out. Once you're there in the rooster pose, look front, bend your right knee. And staying there for how many counts? Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly extending our right knee and getting it back. From there, sit back on your heels, place your palms on your thighs. Now, we're going to do our next posture. What is the name? So let's guess. That animal eats carrots. So which animal eats carrots and loves carrots a lot? The rabbit pose. Good. We're going to do the rabbit pose. Now, rabbit pose is pretty chilled out. Yes, so we're going to keep our palms back, coming to the prep position. Now, okay, come back. Let's measure our crown chakra. Yes, place your thumb right on the tip of your nose. Extend your two fingers, index and the middle finger. Keep reaching out, keep reaching out, keep reaching out, and place it and press it. Good, 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 good. This is your crown chakra. Yes, so you're going to place your crown chakra on the mat. Now, how are we going to do it? Coming back to the prep position. From there, slowly place your crown chakra on the mat. Yes, come a little forward, adjust. Now, what are you going to do with your arms? You're going to take it back, palms facing the ceiling, and relax. Keep on relaxing. You can rock forward and back slightly, not too much. Rock forward slightly, rock back, rock forward. We'll stay there for how many counts? Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wow, how relaxing. From there, you're going to keep your palms right next to your head and lift your head up. From there, you're going to tuck your toes in and lift your knees off the floor. Place your foot, place both your feet real nicely on the mat. Extend and elongate your spine. From there, bend your knees and try to reach out from your hip towards the ceiling. This is called the dog pose. Yes, we're going to stay in the dog pose for 10 counts. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly we will try and extend our knees. Yes, try to keep extending your knees. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. From there, you're going to bend your knees, place them on the mat, sit back on your heels and rise up, sit in Vajrasana. Now, we're going to place our palms on the mat, tuck in your toes once again, hop back and stretch all the way down. Try to extend your knees. Keep your weight forward. You should be able to lift off your heels. Staying there for 10, 9. You can bend your knees as well. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly hold your elbows and stay there. Drop your torso all the way down. Let's just relax for a few minutes. Keep on relaxing. Keep on lifting your heels off the floor one by one. Off the floor. Stay there for 10, 9. Keep lifting it off. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. From there, slowly bend your knees more and slowly rise up, 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 and come back to the center. Yes? Now, I want you to be right in the center of the mat. We're going to do which pose? We're going to do the parrot pose. So what I want you to do, I'm going to show it from the side. I want you to bend a little forward, go more forward. Try to keep your spine straight. Yes, that's all. Now, till your spine is straight, stay to your maximum. If you can stay here, that's good. If you can stay here, that's amazing. But try to keep your spine straight and elongated. Yes, now face front. What are you going to do? You're going to do the same thing. You will come forward, forward, forward. Go to your maximum. Try to keep your spine straight. No arches and no hunches. Yes? Let's go. Staying there. Slowly raise your right arm off. And slowly raise your left arm. And stay there. Try to balance it out. Woo! Don't fall, don't fall. Try to balance it out. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7. Go more forward. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly getting your arms back beside your thighs and slowly coming to the center. Good. This is called the parrot pose. We'll do it one more time. Yes, I'm going to show it towards the side now. We're going to go forward. Let me show it first and then we'll do it together. We'll go forward. We'll raise off right and the left and stay there. Yes, now you can go more forward but don't try to fall. Yes, let's go. Do it. Feet together. Now make sure when your feet are together, your knees, it should have a difference. Yes, it should not touch. There should be a gap between your knees. If there is no gap, then you can place your feet a little apart. Yes, so feet together if your knees don't touch. From there, slowly going forward and raising your right and your left arm and staying there for how many counts? Good. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly arms coming back beside your thighs and slowly inhale to come center. Good. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to do the next pose that is called. Have you done it? No? Okay. This is called the tree pose. We're going to do it from very basic to a little bit difficult and then to the proper tree pose. Yes, we will try. Let's go. Now I want you to take your right ankle. Yes, place your right foot real close to your ankle. Yes, your fingers, your toes should touch your ankle. From there, try to keep your knee towards the right side. Yes, towards the right side. From there, you will reach out with both your arms over your head and stay there. For how many counts? 10 counts. Good. Staying there for 10, 9. Pick one point in the center and focus and gaze there. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly coming down. We'll do it to the other side. We'll do it with the same thing with our left. Place your left foot closer to your ankle. Yes. And knee reaching out towards the left side. From there, reach out. And join your palms over your head. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly coming back to the center. Very, very good. Now let's raise the bar a little above. So now this time, what are you going to do? You're going to place your foot on your calves. Yes, try to place it on your calves. Reach out and staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, balance it out, 2, 1. From there, slowly exhale, arms coming center, feet coming down. From there, we'll do the same thing with the left side. Left foot on your right calf, left knee towards the left side. Reach out, inhale, join your palms and stay there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly release, open and come back to the center. Now we'll do the actual tree pose. So we're really going to lift off your right ankle. You're going to place it, try and place it real close to your thigh. Okay, if you cannot do the thigh, you can still go a little easy on yourself and place it on your knee. Yes, but I really want you to pull and place it on your thigh. Your right knee should be facing your right side. From there, inhale, reach out, join your palms, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly release. Very, very good. And getting it down. We'll do the same thing to the other side. Try and balance. Come on. Left foot, placing it on the right thigh. Really find your balance, find your balance. Inhale, raise your arms up. Join your palms over your head, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, flip, reach out, exhale, and come to the center. Very good. Now we're going to do our next posture. Now which one is that? That is going to be the horse pose. So for horse pose, I want you to look towards your right side, walk a little forward, and then you're going to swing your left leg back. Yes, from there, you're going to bend your right knee so that your right knee comes right above your heel. Yes, try not to go forward with it and try not to stay behind. Right above your heel. Yes, from there, you can take your leg a little back and place your knee down. Place your left knee down. This is going to be your horse pose. Easy? Yes. Now you're going to pull, push. And from there, you're going to rise up. Slowly balance it out. Rise up. And once again, bend. Good? Easy? Let's do it once again. And slowly rise up. And slowly bending it back. Yes, let's do it. At least 5 times. Let's go. Arms in front. We'll go up and down. 2 and down. 3 and down. 4 and down. Last one, 5 and down. Good. From there, stretch all the way forward. Hold your core and lift up to come towards the edge of the mat. Good. Now we're going to do the same thing to the other side, to your right side. Now you're going to do the same thing. Swing your left right leg back, and from there you're going to bend your left knee so that it comes right above your heel, and slowly adjust your back leg. Place your right knee to the ground. Now make sure you're keeping your toes tucked in, because otherwise it's going to be super difficult for you to get up. So tuck your toes in, arms forward. From there, rising up slowly. 1, find your balance, and down. And again, 2, and down. Once again, up, and down, and up, and down. Good. Really find your balance and try not to wobble. Really stay centered. We'll do it 5 times. Let's go. Arms forward. Hold the grip. From there, 1, coming up and down, 2, and down, 3, and down, 4, and down. Last one more time. 5, and down. From there, very good. From there, placing your palms on the mat, getting your left knee together with your right knee, and sit back on your heels. From there, we're going to go and extend our right leg forward and our left leg forward. Yes, really extend it forward. From there, push your palms. Shift a little forward because we're going to be lying down on the mat. From there, lie down. Try not to get out of the mat. Really try to place your lower back on the mat. Keep your palms relaxed. Let's just relax for at least 10 counts. Keep your body alive, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, what is our next posture? Our next posture is the fish pose. Now, how do we do this fish pose? We're going to remember the crown chakra. How did we measure it? Placing your thumb on the tip of your nose, extending your index and the middle finger, reaching out to your maximum and touch the point. Touch the point, feel it. That's your crown chakra. From there, you're going to lift. Okay, bend your elbows a little more closer to your body. Lift your chest up. Reach out towards the ceiling. Try to place your crown chakra on the mat and point your feet and staying there for 10 counts in the fish pose. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly getting it back and placing your back on the mat. Really relax it. We will do this posture for 4 more times. Let's go. Relax, relax, relax. Keep shaking your legs. Try to place your back finely on the mat. We're going to go once again into the fish pose. We're going to lift off our chest, get our elbows closer, hold our thighs with our palms, and place our crown chakra on the mat. Point your feet, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly sliding back, coming back to the center, placing your back finely on the mat, staying there. Relax your legs, relax your back. We'll do it at least. Let's do it a little faster this time. Yes, try to place your palms right next to your thighs. From there, lift your chest up and place your crown chakra, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly getting back to the center. Very good. We'll do it 2 more times. Let's go. A little faster. Palms by the thighs. From there, lift your chest up and place it. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And slowly relax. Now, before we do it for the last time, really relax your back. Place your back finely on the mat. Shake your legs off. Shake, 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 shake. And take a nice long breath. Inhale. And exhale. Let's just do it one last time. Make sure you do it correctly. Point your feet. Palms by the side. Lift your chest up and place your crown chakra for the one last time. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly sliding back and coming back to the center. Now what are we going to do? Now we're going to go into our next posture, which is going to be the pig pose. So I want you to get your knees closer to your chest. Yes, hold it from your shin and interlace your fingers. Place it and pull it really close to your chest. Really close to your chest. As close as you can. Staying there for at least 10 counts. 10. Count with me. 9. 8. Keep pulling it closer. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. From there, slowly you will lift off your head and try to place your forehead on your knee. Try to touch your forehead to the knee. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly coming back to the center. Now what are we going to do? This is going to be a little bit of fun. We're going to rock and roll towards the side. So we're going to go to the left side and we're going to go to the right side, dropping it low. Good. Drop it, come back to the center and drop it, come back to the center. Once again, drop it, center, drop it, center. Good. Now, what are we going to do? We're going to roll, but we're going to roll towards the back and the front. So I want you to rock real fast so that you hop in the end. So go slow and roll. Keep on rolling. Go back and up, back and up, back and up. Last time, back and up. Now hop in. As you hop in, shift a little back, come to the center, hop in, hug your knees, stay there for at least 10 counts. 10, 9. If you cannot hug your knees and stay there and balance it out, you can place your palms down or you can put your weight a little forward, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, do you remember your prep position? You're going to go, place your palms in front and transfer your weight forward. Come back to your prep position. Remember when we did cow pose? Yes, so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to come into the prep position. Now, you will sit back on your heels. Sit in Vajrasana. Try to keep your knees together. Keep your knees and thighs together. From there, you will raise your palms. You will raise your arms all the way up. Keep stretching out. Keep reaching out towards the sky. And you're going to go reach out towards the front. Place your palms down and place your head on the mat. Keep your arms extended. We will relax here for at least 30 counts. Keep on staying there. Really loosen up your torso. Just focus on your breathing. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Try to keep reaching out towards the front wall with your fingertips. Don't go to sleep. Keep it alive. Keep focusing on your breath. Inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly you're going to take your left palm and place it on towards the back. Take both your arms, place them back beside your legs, palms facing the ceiling. This is called the mouse pose. Yes, and this is used for relaxing. So whenever you feel super tired, you can always stay here and relax for a while. Palms facing the ceiling, drop your shoulders down, staying there for at least 30 counts. Try not to sleep, just try to focus on your breath. Keep on inhaling slowly and keep on exhaling. One more time. Inhale and slowly exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. From there, you're going to get your arms off above your head. Place your palms on the mat. From there, rise up a little. Sit back on your heels. Now this time, we're going to open our knees a little apart. Yes, but make sure your feet are together. So we're going to open our knees a little apart. We're going to walk forward. Keep walking forward. We're going to try and touch our tummy on the mat, and we're going to try and keep our chin on the mat as well, but make sure you're not looking inside the mat, but you're looking in front. So staying there for how many counts? 10 counts. Staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From there, slowly coming back, getting your knees together and sitting, coming to center. Sit in your comfortable position. Spine long, shoulders relaxed, chest open. Remember the lotus pose. Should we do it once again? Pick your right ankle and place it on your left thigh. This is the half lotus pose. We will stay here and we will just inhale and exhale for 4 times. Let's go. Palms facing the ceiling over your thighs. From there you will inhale and exhale. One more time. Inhale and exhale. 2 more times. 1, inhale. And exhale. 1 last time. Inhale. And exhale. From there, let's try to get your left ankle over your right thigh, sitting in the Lotus Pose, staying there for 10 counts. Try, staying there for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, come on, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very, very good. From there, we will inhale, raise both your arms up. Exhale, join your palms in front of your heart chakra, and we will bow down and say Namaste and end the session. Let's go bow down on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste.